What's going on, guys? Today, I'm back with Dan for part 2 of the Shopify series. If you missed part 1, it'll be a link in the description. We're going over how to start a Shopify store from scratch. Dan's teaching me and helping me build because I know almost nothing about Shopify. So part 1's in the description. Part 2 today, we're going to be setting up my actual store. Part 1, we talked about niche research and things like that. But now we're going to get more in depth and get into actually creating the store. So Dan, do you want to take it away and I'll share my screen?
Yeah, definitely. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on your, there we go, cool. So welcome everybody. First thing is first that I wanna talk about is if you guys wanna go ahead and sign up to Shopify and follow along as Tanner and I go through this, Tanner's gonna provide you with one of the few, extremely very few links for Shopify. That's a 21-day free trial. And not only is it a 21-day free trial, but it also offers 10% off any package for life. Now, I will add a little disclaimer in there. The page that it'll send you to, I show you a screenshot of an email coming right from Shopify, and they're telling us to keep the link hidden behind some type of wall, whether it's a Facebook group, an email list. So if you get caught off guard that you have to, quote unquote, opt in or give us your email for it, I provided the email from Shopify themselves and their legal department letting us know that because we have this link, we're one of the few people that do, we have to legally put it behind a wall. So I just want to make that very transparent. The next thing that we're going to go ahead and talk about is store creation. If you use that link, you're going to be able to sign up, and it's literally 3 steps. It's going to ask you for an email, a name, and a store URL. Now, Tanner, if you just highlight everything entrepreneur at the top, that's what the actual name of your store will be when they ask you for a name. Step 2 is you can go ahead and have them. They're actually going to ask you what your experience is. You don't need to fill out anything. You can just hit next and not even fill that in. It's their own little survey. Step 3 is them asking your personal information so you can, have something tied to the store in regards for payments and a way for them to contact you if needed. So that's pretty much it. And then you're going to see this right over here. What Tanner is on right now, that's exactly what you're going to see. Now, first things first is, Tanner, if you go ahead and click on, you see it says sales channels and online store. If you click on online store, all the way on the left-hand side of the menu, you're going to be able to see themes. Now, really quickly, all right, let's just go ahead and right over there, you see where it says free themes, explore free themes towards the bottom. Yep, you click right there. And what you can go ahead and do, and Tanner, we're going to use simple for our example. It's the first one. You're going to click simple, and then you're going to go ahead and actually install it, but it's already added. I'm pretty sure I did this when I was over. So you guys are going to click add, all right, or use or whatever it says. I don't recall exactly what it says. Now, to go out there, what you're going to do is, Tanner, you see where it says current theme, where right over there, the one up above, and then it says debut.
Yes.
You're going to click on customize, okay? So click customize. And this is where we're not going to do it now because, again, there's a lot of tweaking, a lot of playing around. But this is where you can go in and start editing everything. All the images, the text. For example, you just clicked on that. Good. You can edit. If you click on explore free images right there, just click on explore free images. They're going to go ahead and give you a bunch of stock photos. Click anywhere, right? And choose any one that you want. They're literally as stock of images as you can get. So you can just choose one and then click select. It'll upload it for you.
All right, it's going.
What's that?
Okay, there's a problem. Okay, good.
Okay, so yeah, it seems like they're having a problem.
There we go. We got it.
Cool. So, and if you just go backwards as categories, you can start typing in different headline and all that. But again, I just want to show you how easy it actually is to go and edit your particular theme. And since it's literally simple, everything is so easy to edit over here. You can edit the products that are shown. You can edit the collections. And collections are basically, product groupings, right? If you have like 10 products, you can put 10 products in a collection and have that collection show on the homepage if that's what you want. So again, that's pretty much how you go and edit a theme. Very, very simple, nothing too complex, and no pun intended because the theme is literally called simple. And what Tanner's doing right now is clicking on the different views. So that's what it's going to look like on a desktop, what it would look like on a tablet or mobile device. You can toggle through different type of pages. And this theme, that I really, really like this theme because of how, and I hate how cliche this might sound, but how simple it is. It's made because of how clean it looks. It keeps everything really, really clean. All right. So Tanner, at the top left, you see where it has that Shopify icon. Click on that Shopify icon again. All right. And what we're going to go ahead and do is next we're going to talk about applications. Okay. Now, you don't need to click on apps. If you want, you can click on them, but yeah, click on it. Why not? Since we're already here. So there's a few things that you particularly want inside of your store. Now, Tanner, click visit Shopify App Store for me. And what you're going to search is just type in reviews, right? So type in reviews. And what you want is you want to have a review app so people can go ahead and leave a review. You see where it says product reviews, so Shopify product reviews. So actually, you know what? Yotpo is extremely, extremely good. So I'm going to suggest, Yotpo for you, Tanner.
This one?
So what's that?
This one?
Yeah, that one right there. That's what I use when it comes to my sites at veersmile.com or Neon Array. So you can click get, all right, and then install app. It's going to walk you through the install. You can do this, on your own time. So what I'm going to suggest is just going back to your Shopify store. All right, cool. So you went ahead and if you refresh the page for me, you'll actually be able to perhaps see that. So there it is. Okay, so you don't need to click into it. It's fine if you clicked into it, but you don't need to. Again, there's a lot of different apps. Review app is something that you need. A post-sale sequence app is another thing that you need, which is basically something like mailfunnels.com, right? But again, I'm going to go ahead and pass you an actual login for MailFunnels because I'm on that board of that company. So again, I'm going to pass that to you. TriFunnels, I own that. You want to have a particular funnel software in there. Now I'm telling you that I own it, so you don't go out there and buy it.
Yeah.
So MailFunnels, you want that to have a post-sale sequence set up. So if somebody buys, what's going to happen is they're going to get emails. So if they buy X product, they're going to get put into X email list, and then they're going to be getting X emails. You set up that email funnel. And if they abandon your cart, they're going to get cart abandonment series. So there's a lot of different things that happen inside of MailFunnels, and you want that. TriFunnels is a pre-sales upsell application. So what that means is somebody can go through, and if they click add to cart, it'll take them and show them another product immediately, increasing your average order value literally instantly. So that's another app that I suggest. And then the fourth one is Oberlo, okay, or Oberlo, whatever you want to call it. So Tanner, if you go ahead and just click into Oberlo or Oberlo, I don't know how to pronounce it, but
Oberlo.
All right, so you're on Oberlo.com. This is pretty much what I wanted to show you right over here. If you clicked on the Oberlo app, it'll bring you here. So really quickly, just show people exactly on the left-hand side where it says search products, so they know where to go when they're using Oberlo. So right over there, search products, you click on search products, awesome, and it takes you here. So Tanner, if you can just type in a product category so we can just gather some different products. So maybe whiteboards or dry erase markers, whatever it is. All right, so we have whiteboards. We have a lot of different stuff to select from here. Yeah. So what I want you to start doing is just click add to import list, that little green button right there. All right. And what you're going to do is you see, once you have some products added to your import list, you see the top right-hand corner, it'll say import list right next to my products. Yes. Click on import list. All right. Now what I want you to do is start editing and changing the names of each one by one. And what you can do after that is you can go into description, variants, images, all that stuff. So you can go ahead and just start, and then you can edit that right there. You can edit all of them. You can edit one, and then you can click push to shop, or you can edit them all at one time. And then the big green button all the way at the top that says push all products to shop, you can choose which images you want. Now really quickly before you upload that, go to variants one more time. Now, is that the price that you want? So the price, the cost?
No, I definitely want this price.
Yep. Perfect. Yes, $1,000. That's exactly what that's what I assumed you wanted.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, there we go. All right, perfect. So if you click push to shop, it'll go ahead and push it to the shop. All right, now it's on your shop. So if you go back to Shopify, and let's look for this outrageously priced product. All right, and now I don't remember what you called it, but you can just go
boom right here.
So there you go. And it auto updates with the stock and everything. If you click it, it shows you exactly what you just uploaded from Oberlo. So that's pretty much it in regards to adding products. If you go out there and you want to add 500 products, you can within all under an hour. If you want to have 10 products in, you can literally just do it in 5 minutes. It's that simple. So with that being said, That's how you create a Shopify store with a 10,000 foot overview, if you will. It's actually really, really simple.
Yeah.
Now, again, just to quickly review, what I want to tell you is we talked about the Shopify 21-day free trial. Then we moved into creating a store. Then we talked about applications. Some of the applications we talked about as a review, like Yotpo. And we talked about tri-funnels, all right, to create product funnels. We went ahead and also talked about mail funnels to create post-sale sequences. You can have, push notifier for push notifications, and Oberlo as well, or Bello for for automatically importing products. So that's exactly what I wanted to show you. Now, Tanner, I'm going to just toss it back to you so you can explain to everybody what we're doing with our 4-part training series.
All right, guys. So we're releasing a 4-part training series completely free. And this is teaching kind of the newer method of Shopify. So if you're following older methods, you're probably doing it wrong. It's hard to be profitable with those. So that will be coming out over the next couple of days, week or two. Those will be coming out. And we also have a free checklist. And if you guys want that, make sure you leave a comment saying, yes, I want that checklist. And once this video hits 500 likes, we'll release it with the next video. So Dan, anything else?
Nope, that's pretty much it. Just look out for that checklist that we're going to be releasing. Actually, in the next video that we release, Tanner, we're going to be walking them through the checklist so they can see everything. And that 4-part training series walks a beginner, somebody who's never done Shopify or heard about the dropshipping model, all the way to going out there and learning how to successfully implement this business and have it working for them, so they can achieve the goals that they've been wanting. Maybe they've been watching you, maybe they could get their own Lamborghini in the near future. Right? So again, that's pretty much all I have to say. In the next video, look out for that we're going to be releasing, because we're going to be talking about that checklist. Thanks a bunch.